I was late getting here because literally just a few hours ago, earlier today, and I was not able to keep going. You know, as much as I love traveling to other countries, especially places like Indonesia, I have to say coming back to Malaysia, especially Kuala Lumpur, feels a bit like coming back home. I love this city, alhamdulillah. It's just before Maghrib time, and inshallah we are heading to Masjid Jamek, one of my favorite mosques. So much history, open air courtyard. It's where the two rivers meet. Alhamdulillah, it's so beautiful with its gardens. But there's one thing we haven't seen of Masjid Jamek, and that is the night market, which happens every Saturday night. Alhamdulillah, we happen to be here on a Saturday evening. And what better way to spend it than to go to Masjid Jamek and check out the night market, inshallah ta'ala. Alhamdulillah, I'm glad you managed to experience just a little bit of that Jamaat. Obviously, I try not to film when it's time for Jamaat because it's time to pray. But I was late getting here because I woke up a little late. I fell asleep around 4:30 in the afternoon after my epic journey across islands from Sulawesi, starting in Makassar to Lombok, and then hopping across Bali to Java, all the way to Surabaya by bus. All of this has happened in a sort of 3 or 4 day period. And then landed in Kuala Lumpur literally just a few hours ago, earlier today, and I was not able to keep going. So I needed a little sleep. So I slept from 4:30 till about, I was supposed to get up around 6:30, I didn't. I got up around 7. Quickly tried to get here to catch Maghrib, and alhamdulillah caught the Jamaat in the second rakat. So sneaked in just a little bit of the Jamaat to show you what it feels like to come to Masjid Jamek and join the Jamaat here. Alhamdulillah, look at this place, subhanallah. I love Masjid Jamek. And the way they light this place up, the two rivers meet here, and there's this kind of mist and this blue lighting, and subhanallah, this atmosphere, it just gets me every time. Look at this. I try not to speak and let you enjoy the view of the mosques, but I mean, have you seen anything like this? Look at the history, look at these domes. Look at these incredible umbrellas, obviously inspired by the Haram. And just this setting with the two rivers that meet in the background. Subhanallah, subhanallah. Where in the world do you get this? And then you have the modernity of Malaysia literally on your doorstep. Look at the skyline. And set right in the middle of this is all this history, all this beauty. Subhanallah. Look, they have the entire history of the masjid here. I'll just read it quickly a little bit here. The confluence of Klang and Gombak rivers reflect Kuala Lumpur's early origins and a riverine settlement home to different communities. Community of Rama people from West Sumatra settled around Java Street with permission from the Sultan of Selangor, Sultan Abdus Samad. They began to construct the Java Street Mosque. Completed Java Street Mosque constructed in the traditional Sumatran mosque style. Oh, so that's how it used to look. Subhanallah. The construction of Java Street Bridge entailed the widening of the street and the demolition of Java Street Mosque. In response, the Mosques Committee submitted a petition for a replacement mosque to be built. Selangor's Sultan Alauddin Suleiman and British resident H.C. Belfield agreed to relocate the Java Street Mosque to a Muslim burial ground at the confluence of the Klang and Kombak rivers. H.C. Belfield recommended that the new mosque be built in Mughal architectural style. A.B. Habak, assistant architect at the Federated Malay States Public Works Department, was tasked with designing the new mosque. The citizens of Selangor raised funds for the construction of Masjid Jamek in addition to contributions from the Sultan of Selangor and the British administration. Masjid Jamek completed, officiated by Sultan Alauddin Suleiman on 23rd December 1909. To cater to the ever-increasing needs of the times, Masjid Jamek Sultan Abdul Samad has expanded its spaces and amenities. It remains a focal point for the Muslim community. Masjid Jamek continues to serve the spiritual needs of the people of Kuala Lumpur, mashallah. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you, my brother?
Yes. I was telling it, please.
Yes, I'm telling about the place, mashallah. You come to pray here?
Yes.
The visiting hours of the masjid, Saturday to Thursday, are 10 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. and 2:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. Friday is closed. This is, I'm assuming, for non-Muslims who want to visit the masjid for sightseeing. And free guided tours are available upon request. This is exciting. You go behind the masjid. So there's the masjid. And you head down this path towards the bridge. And I'm assuming this is where the night market is. You've got all the old colonial buildings. Look at this architecture. Right behind the masjid, you see all of this. Wow, check out this bridge, mashallah. And look at this view. Subhanallah. Crossing the bridge, look at this incredible view you get. There's the second tallest building in the world right there. And Masjid Jamek there. Just across from the bridge, look at this, you have this beautiful park. So many people gathered, mashallah. This is a Saturday night. Look at all the activity going on here. Children on bikes, mashallah, people enjoying. What an amazing, incredible view. Subhanallah. Is this your food truck?
Yeah.
Oh, mashallah. This looks very nice. What flavors do you have here?
Lemon.
This is lemon, coconut,
Yeah,
chocolate,
chocolate.
orange.
Yes.
Mashallah. So the night market is that way?
Yeah.
Okay, Jazakallah khair, brother. Assalamu alaikum. There's the masjid. And across the road, this is where the night market is. We have all kinds of jewelry, clothes. Subhanallah, all kinds of watches, belts, bags. There's a lot going on here. This is the night market right opposite Masjid Jamek every Saturday night. Look at that. Wow, that's a lot of watches. Look at this. It carries on over here. It's not as big as some of the other markets in Kuala Lumpur, but they do have quite a variety of things here. Check this out. Look at the collection of caps here. I like caps, but this is something else. Subhanallah. Look at this. Assalamu alaikum, brother. Mashallah, you have a lot of hats and caps here. Subhanallah. Huge choice. Look at all these. These are in plastic to protect them. Subhanallah. They're high quality ones, huh? This is high quality, mashallah. Okay. Outside as well? Oh wow, look at this cat, mashallah. Oh, and it carries on outside. We've got even more caps here. Wow. This is the Jalan Melayu market right behind the Masjid Jamek. But just check this out. Literally a stone's throw. Oh, there's a football game going on here. Penalty. Just a short walk away, not even maybe 100 meters, is Masjid India. This was built in 1863 by settlers from South India. And initially it was a small brick building, but in 1964, after a couple of small renovations, they rebuilt this entirely. So, mashallah, this is what it looks now. Look at that minaret. Well, you can't really see it, it's hidden by the trees, but try and get a shot of it here. Subhanallah. Nice. Inshallah, we are in time for Isha, so we'll just pray Isha over here. I'll take you inside, inshallah ta'ala. Oh, it's really cool in here. I think they've got air conditioning maybe. It feels really nice and cool. Subhanallah, beautiful blue carpet matching the blue tiles. Subhanallah, there. We've got it all centrally air conditioned. Feels lovely in here. People waiting for Isha Jamaat, inshallah, to start. And mashallah, beautiful old chandelier. Lovely tiles with inscription on them. Just been waiting for Isha to start, and I think it'll start any minute now. One of the beautiful things about Islam, Allah rewards us even for waiting for Jamaat to start. The whole time you're sitting here, accumulating reward. Alhamdulillah. MashaAllah, the Imam there had a beautiful voice, deep recitation, MashaAllah. And Alhamdulillah, really enjoyed praying here. If you're in Kuala Lumpur, check out Masjid India. It's really beautiful, mashallah. I'm going to head back home, get some rest because it's been a long few days traveling. Real quick while you're here, I want to share something close to my heart. I started Tutor in 2016 so my kids could learn Tajweed, Arabic and Hifz from amazing tutors around the world. And Alhamdulillah, 2 of them became Huffaz using it. Now, thousands of students are using Tutor to get closer to the Quran. And you could too. With a synchronized Quran, Qaida and whiteboard, Tutor feels like your tutor is right there with you. Click the link in the description, choose a tutor and try a free lesson today. Now, back to the video. I'm here at MTR, what is it, MTR? MTR, what's the number? 1924. What does that mean? 1924. You started here? In Bangalore you started in 1924. MashaAllah, wow. Well, I've had the dosa over here before and loved it. So I want to have it again, inshallah. Thank you. Can I have a quick look at the kitchen? Yeah. Not inside, no. Just from outside. All right, that kitchen looks really well organized, mashallah. Well, they've been going since 1924, so. Hi. This is their menu, MTR 1924. Authentic South Indian. I can vouch for that. I think the taste is very authentic. So they have the different kinds of dosas, a plain dosa, they've got rava dosa, but this is what we've ordered. And interestingly, they serve it in this sort of triangular shape. You would expect a dosa normally to look something like this, but this is how they do it. And it comes with sambar and chutney, and they have this ghee that they give with it. I've had this before, really enjoyed it. I thought for a last meal in Kuala Lumpur, inshallah, this would be good. So this is their history, the pivotal journey. So they pioneered a couple of things. The idea of the open kitchen so that people could see the hygiene standards, and also a kind of standardization of ingredients. Wow, this is so interesting. So during 76, they had rationing where restaurants were asked to reduce prices. So MTR put a board up outside his restaurant showing just how much money he was losing because he didn't lower standards, but he was forced to reduce prices. There's a lot of history in this restaurant, and the food does speak for itself. The food's quality has always been good. I've been here 2 or 3 times before. Inshallah ta'ala, hoping for good quality today too. Oh, subhanallah. Food is coming. It looks exactly like the picture. Thank you, my brother. Wow, look at that. That iconic triangle shape with the sambar, the coconut chutney, and their signature ghee that they give. Subhanallah. Okay, let's tuck into this. It almost seems a shame to cut into this perfect equilateral triangle, but it'll have to be done so. SubhanAllah, let's see the inside. Wow. All that potato filling. SubhanAllah. Let me taste the chutney first. Oh, wow. SubhanAllah. Just the coconut chutney. The right amount of spice. Packed with flavor. Oh. Just listen to that crisp. So crispy. Amazing. Fluffy, crispy. Even without pouring that ghee on there, you can tell this has been made in ghee. Incredible taste. Even without the filling and everything. They've even brought me some extra coconut chutney, just coconut chutney. This has coriander in it and chili, but this is without the coriander and chili. I'll try this special coconut chutney they brought. Pure coconut flavor. I think I prefer the one with the spices and everything. Both are nice. Oh, it's got a kick. Oh, it comes in with a punch afterwards. It's really got a kick. It's deceptive because it's white, and you think it's not going to be quite as punchy, but oh, it comes in. It's nice. We'll go in with some of the ghee, even though it has quite a lot of ghee flavor. Subhanallah, but hey, why not? Make a bite with some of the chutney. Follow it up with some sambar. Oh wow, what a combo. And with that extra ghee on there, subhanallah. Alhamdulillah, that has been wiped clean. Unless you know of a better dosa, I'm calling this my personal favorite, the best in the world. Comment down below if you think there is a better one. I'll travel to it. But this, unbelievable. My personal favorite. Thank you. Excellent meal. This is it, MTR 1924. If you're here, definitely come here. Well worth the visit. So alhamdulillah, a great day in Kuala Lumpur. Personal indulgences, all my favorites. Went to some beautiful mosques, had amazing food, alhamdulillah. So until the next adventure, see you inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.